This is what initiation is supposed to be all about. Being intelligent, committing, finishing your business. I've tried so many lives. I made so many excuses. Next life, next life, next life. That's why we're here. And I'm still making them. Maybe in the next life. Oh my God. Okay. Another lecture Prabhupada gave. This was in Los Angeles. I grew up there. So when he said this, I was thinking of Beverly Hills. He said, you know, if you don't become purified, you could take birth in a wealthy family. So it was Los Angeles, and I was like, okay, Beverly Hills. So I lived near Beverly Hills, and I had friends in Beverly Hills, and I worked in Beverly Hills. So I was thinking, oh, I'm going to take my next birth in Beverly Hills, in a rich family. And that would be cool. Then I won't have to work. Which is why Prabhupada said, he said, you take birth in a wealthy family because you don't have to worry about money, so you can practice your spiritual life. You know, you just like, you're spoiled. Silver spoon, you don't have to worry about money. And then Prabhupada scared us, and he said, but, and this is obviously true, if you look at wealthy people, he said, but you could get spoiled by that wealth and deviated by it and give up your bhakti. So we're all thinking, yeah, well, if I don't do it in this life, next life, yeah, don't trust. What's he saying? Don't trust in the future, however pleasant. Yeah. Don't trust the next life. Well, what if I'm born in a family of devotees? Yeah, but it doesn't mean you're just going to be a devotee. In case you didn't realize it, whatever difficulties and anarthas you haven't given up and purified in this life, guess where they're going in the next life? They're traveling with you. You're going to meet them in the next life. So, and then the next life comes and it's like, oh, I have the same anger issue, or the same resentment issue, or the same lust issue. You still have to deal with it. So why not just finish now? Why come back? Oh, I want to end with some nectar. This is thick nectar. It's my daughter's research paper. So she's doing research on family and adolescent dysfunction. And it's all, quoting all this research that's been done on this, of what all the stages and dysfunctions adolescents go through, why they go through, all the dysfunctions families go through. And I told my daughter, we should make a book and distribute it, because if devotees read this, they'll never want to take birth again. They'll go through adolescence again. You don't realize how bad it was until you analyze how bad it was. You read the analysis at this age, they think this way, and they respond this way, and this trauma, and this dysfunction, and this, it's like, I was like, oh my God, I'm not totally serious when I read that. I was like, I'm not taking birth again. So, if you want that paper, just send me an email.